All right, how's it going? Look, a big, massive bowl of vegetable pasta. I've got a little bit of chili in there, give it a bit of spice. Feed the family, a nice big bowl here, not that expensive. You can use any vegetables that you want. Now listen, sort your pasta out. I'm not gonna talk about cooking pasta or anything. Get it ready. We're gonna sort the sauce out and throw it in. You can see I'm using rigatoni. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Ooh. Okay, let's jump straight in on this one today. Look, you're gonna need a large sort of skillet or kind of woky thing like I've got. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil in there. You can use any oil you want. I'm using sunflower. We've got a cup of onion sliced. I'm gonna put that in. I've just put the heat on, by the way, above medium. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, in that goes. I'm gonna make mine a little bit spicy today, and I'm just gonna drop in 1, 2, 3 whole red chilies. We've got some salt in there. We've got some black pepper in there. And then dried herb of your choice. I'm using 2 teaspoons of oregano or oregano, as so many of you call that. About 3 or 4 minutes. Now, the vegetables you put in, up to you, entirely up to you. Today we're going to use some bell peppers, zucchini, cauliflower, and then we're going to add some canned tomatoes to this. Just really nice and simple. Back in a moment. So we're going to start adding our vegetables. So obviously you add your hardest vegetable first. In my case today it's cauliflower. Again, there's about a cup there. So if you were adding carrots, for example, celery, you'd be getting those in now. About another 3 minutes on this above medium heat, stirring fairly often. Maybe some green or black olives in this could be nice. Got some bell pepper there, using 2 colours. Again, let's say that's 2 cups roughly. And then I've got some zucchini. I've got these little ones here. I'm just going to cut them in while we're here. And that's it vegetable wise for me. Like I say, you load it up with whichever you want. And we're going to go for about another 4 minutes or so frying this around. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass you can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Lovely stuff. Very simply, we're going to add canned tomatoes. In they go. Now this was a whole plum tomato that I just roughly chopped with my hand. So that's 2 cans. That's that size, regular size can. That's the brand I'm using at the moment. So 400 ml a can, so 800 ml in total. Again, we're going to stay on this lively heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Pretty much done. Really nice and easy today, huh? Beautiful stuff. Nice and easy, easy peasy today. Right, pasta time. Get the pasta of your choice. I'm using the rigatoni today. In that goes. It's about 5 cups in total cooked. Any pasta works. Now, if you want, obviously get some other vegetables in there. But if you're not veggie like I'm keeping this today, get a couple of cans of tuna in there or something, you know. Chop some chorizo or some kind of, you know, sausage like that in there. Bulk it out as you want. Yeah, we're keeping this beautifully vegetable today. Beautiful stuff. Right, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes, just throwing this around, coating it with the sauce. Job done. Yeah, I did see that. So chuck that into a big bowl, put a little bit of chopped parsley on the top, That's going to feed a whole family. That's beautiful. Now if you want, and again you're not vegan here but vegetarian, you could get some Parmesan cheese on the top, or could have mixed some in, but like I say, keeping that nice and clean today. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.